Welcome to Vlogmas 11. That's what? No longer the weekend. Unfortunately, I do have to go to work. But it's cool. I'm not gonna bore y'all with a work day. You already know what I be on. So, yeah. I'm about to go hop in the V right now. I should have got gas last night because I'm for sure low on gas. Yeah, let me get up out of here, man. 7:54. Yes, sir. We in the V. Sheesh. Let me show y'all real quick. 45 miles. Let's see if I can make it to work and the gas station after. And let's see if I can make it to work on time. No cap. Honestly, I feel like today went by fast. I'm lying. That joint went slow. You gotta pay to play, man. You gotta pay to play. No cap. But after I get off work, I should have went and got gas that one vlog, but you know, just pure laziness. I ain't gonna get gas. So after I get off, we about to hit the shell, get some more E, get some more gas, and slide to the crib. Not much going on today. It's a little Monday, man. You know how that go. We're gonna take it easy. Enjoy the video. Hope you've been enjoying the vids in general, though. You know, I hope everybody's been enjoying the videos. And I've been trying to put some more effort into these, you know, make them a little more entertaining to watch and whatnot. But appreciate y'all, man. Much love, for real. I will see you when I'm off work. Peace. We out that hoe. We out that hole. Now I gotta drive, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how long it's about to take me to get to the gas station right now because of traffic. Ridiculous. Bro, look how long it says. 36 minutes for 13 miles. Shit, bro, that's OD. Come on now. Yeah, bro, I'm so glad I wasn't recording right now because there's just so many idiots on the road right now. It's just like, you know, people just think you're gonna stop for them. Like, come on, bro.
You know why we're here, man.
It's a terrible thing. I need to get a flexible sensor, bro. It's not bullshit. Them bitches like 400, and I gotta reinstall my phone. So it's just like, man, I don't gotta reinstall it, but feel me, I'm about to go back up in there, and I'm not trying to do all that. Until then, we're gonna keep the blades going. Alright, so we just left the gas station. I'll slide to the crib right now, man. Ain't much going on besides that. I don't know if I could find somewhere that I could get cash back from. You know, I might make a little stop, but if I can't find a spot that I could get cash back from, straight to the crib, man. Straight to the crib. So, damn, it's dark as hell. Y'all can't see me for nothing. Alright, I'll be back. Oh, wait, hold on. Is that better? Nah, it's still dark as hell. Alright, man, I'll get back to you. Let me see if I can find a little cash back spot. I ain't gonna lie, I hate to be them. 12 all in that bitch. That's spooky. They got the undercover back there. I mean, yeah, y'all see the lights back there? Damn, I wonder what happened. That's tough. But you know me, I'm gonna mind my business, going about my way. Look at him. He being nosy. Look at bro, he being nosy. He's like, what's going on over there? Fuck all that. They got niggas hoods popped, niggas trunks popped. No, thank you. I'ma go. Let me know, like, what kind of videos do y'all like better? Do y'all like when I'm in front of the camera, or do you guys like the POVs? Do you like when I was driving, you can see my face still, but like, you feel me? I'm just talking to the camera. Like, let me know what type of videos y'all like so I could, you know, start curating the content for y'all. Keep doing it all. Because, hey, it's gonna hurt you more not to try than to try. You feel me? That's with everything in life. But yes, sir. I ended up getting that cash back. You know what that means? You know what that means? How to make a little stop. I make a little stop. If you know, you know. The V is good now. She was running a little like choppy just because I didn't put enough ethanol in it. You feel me? I was getting timing corrections like a mug. But we all good now, so yes, sirski. Bro, I just found out that you could code off the limited slip. Alright, it's dark as hell. You can't see me, but I made it to the crib.